What's up, YouTube? Back at y'all again, here to show y'all a cold start on my Fleetwood Brougham, I'm here in Pittsburgh. It's about 2 degrees, I need to start the Fleetwood because my girl's car battery died overnight. So I'm end up having to brush it off. There it go. Completely submerged in snow with the cover on it. There go the Volvo. And I'm going to have to uncover the Fleetwood. Go Zeri up in the window. I'm going to uncover the Fleetwood, see if she start. And if she do, I'm going to have to jump the Volvo. But I'm going to do the cold start for y'all so y'all can see. Alright, be right back.